Hey guys, welcome back for another video. Today we'll be seeing the boundary cut feature in this. So first let us start off by creating a solid feature. I'll just draw a simple rectangle to go with it and extrude it. And next let's create the profiles for performing the cut. So just draw a circle on this profile and a hexagon on this one. Now let us activate the boundary cut option. So that profile is already selected and select this. So as you can see, these two green dots are not along the same line, so it is a twisted curve. You can set it right by just making them along the same line. Now the thin feature is also available over here. So as we have seen in the other cut options, we get to say which all bodies we want. So I can save all the bodies also, and again we can choose the guide curves over here in direction 2. So I'll just undo this operation and now draw the guide curves. And now let's activate the boundary cut option again. So select the sketches, and in direction 2 you can select the uh, guide curves. And again similarly here also, just like the boundary boss base option, we have normal to profile direction of vector. For direction of vector you can refer to the boundary boss base option. I've explained it in that. I'll link it down in the description. And normal to profile is the same. We can clear this so that I can show it. So let's perform it again. And I can make it normal to profile, so it's changes like this. Even over here we can do this. And again the guide curve also can be selected, and once everything is set, we can press OK. But this is very constrained, so the cut isn't happening. I'll just make this to none so that the cut is performed, and now you can see that the cut has been done as per the guide curve and also as per our requirement. So this was the boundary cut option. Hope it was helpful. If you have any doubts or any requests, you can ask them in the comments. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one.